All right, let's get into it. The top fitness mistakes that you're making during your quarantine, what not to do and what to do so you can get your best physique ever and come out of this looking better than you started. Mistake number one, the biggest one, not having a schedule. Now, this isn't just a schedule with your workouts, but it's also a schedule with your eating. When are the exact times that you're gonna be performing your workouts, but also regular activity, getting out of the house, going for a walk, and then also most importantly, your diet. When it comes down to quarantine time, pretty much everybody is eating horribly. And the reason for this is because they're right beside their kitchen, like I am right now. So they can just go in there, walk in there, eat any snack that they want. If you don't have a schedule of the exact time that you're planning to eat your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and maybe even scheduling in your snacks, you're gonna be way off schedule and overconsume. And guess what? You're gonna get fat. Next, not going out for any menial physical activity. Listen, you're at home playing Xbox, watching Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever you kids are doing these days, just stuck inside. If there's been ever a time for you to just go out and be active, just go for a walk, now is the time to do it. 10, 15 minutes. Also, you're not drinking enough water. Look, if you're already having a tough enough time as it is with trying to stay motivated with your workouts and stay consistent with your workouts, if you're not getting enough water, you're not gonna have enough energy to actually go and execute the workouts. Your mind is gonna feel fatigued, it's gonna feel cloudy, and this is really gonna stand in the way of you going ahead and actually working out and also sticking to your diet. You're also not taking advantage of low calorie dense foods. And in fact, you're probably over consuming really calorically dense foods, pizza pops, pizzas, ice cream, anything that has the word pizza in it. Instead of that stuff, you need to stock up on popcorn. I go crazy for popcorn. Orville Redenbacher's Smart Pop, apples, rice cakes, hard-boiled eggs. Take advantage of these snacks because you're gonna get the satisfaction of actually eating something without consuming way too many calories, so again, you get fat. You're also not cooking. Yeah, this is probably the most important time to start to cook. If you didn't cook before, if you're not very good at cooking, I don't give a shit. If you're not cooking and you're not preparing food for yourself to eat the next day, most importantly, healthy food, you don't need to be cooking nachos and big bowls of pasta here. You need to be preparing good, lean food. Like, I'm always cooking my stir fries. Now is the time you need to do it. That's the reason I actually cook stir fries too. It doesn't take me very long. I just kind of coagulate everything together. I put everything into my rice cooker. See that right there? It's nice. It takes me like 20 seconds to make a whole thing of rice that lasts me 2 days. It doesn't take me very much time at all, and it's actually a very good way for me to get in a lot of protein. There's not a lot of calories, and it's super simple to make. So copy my strategy and just make stir fry. Now, when it comes to your motivation to work out, utilize caffeinated pre-workouts like OXYSHRED Hardcore here. It's also right there from EHP Labs. This stuff gets you up off of your ass and motivates you to actually go and work out. If you're looking for this exact pre-workout, Grim likes it too, then be sure to head on over to the link in my description. Use code Barbarian. If you can't even use pre-workouts, if you don't have the money for it, take advantage of things like coffee, tea. Drink these right before your workout. If you don't have the motivation, that's probably gonna be your best tool to go in and actually get an effective workout. Home workouts. We're all stuck at home. Nobody can go to the gym. Have you not seen my YouTube channel? Hundreds of home workouts. Whether you have a pair of dumbbells or not, I hope you do, most people do, or if you just have your body weight, utilize these workouts that are on my channel. Hey, I'm gonna plug this here too. Go ahead and take advantage of my application, Barbarian Body All Access, link down there, free for 7 days. I've got workouts that tell you exactly which workout to do on exactly which day. If you're having a tough time, you don't wanna do the application, that's totally fine. Go ahead and use the YouTube videos. Just kind of give yourself a schedule, let's say Monday to Friday, of exactly which workouts that you're gonna do or which videos that you're gonna follow so that you can have some form of a program that you can do with just home workouts. The next mistake, this is one that I was falling trouble to for the past, the beginning of the quarantine, drinking too much alcohol. Here was my mistake, don't do it. I was bulk buying alcohol because I'm like, I don't really want to go to the store. What that led me to do was, oh, I've got alcohol here, I'm just gonna go ahead and drink it. And I started drinking probably like 2, if not 3 times the amount of alcohol that I was normally consuming. I'm just being honest, because I had it. And this didn't reflect well on my physique. So instead of buying myself a full Texas Mickey, yeah, I went through 3 of those already, and just consuming the whole thing in like less than a week, I might have a problem. Go ahead and just don't buy yourself bulk amount of alcohol. Make it tough for you to get the alcohol so you're not getting all these useless calories. Make it hard for you to make these errors. So stop buying bulk alcohol like I was. I think I've covered 10 right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try to avoid those mistakes. I know personally, myself, I'm getting in some of the best shape that I've ever been during the quarantine because I'm able to stay focused on working out. I'm productive doing work things, so I'm not over consuming food. And even when I am snacking, it's low calorie dense foods. Hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then let me know down in the comment section which tip was your favorite. Which tip did I mention that most resonated with you? If I missed anything, also let me know down there. I might go through and answer it, or somebody else in the comment section might give you a tip. And also, quick mention, Barbarian Body All Access application. You can see it right here. This thing is slick. Home workouts. I got day-by-day structures. If you want to check it out, you can try it free for the next 7 days. There will be a link down in the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button down below, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe during the quarantine and try and get in your best shape. I'll see you in the next video.